Hi everybody, it is time for one of my favorite things to do, and that is to look at the new Celebrations collection from Krissyanne Designs. If you are new to my channel, if you are new to Krissyanne Designs, the Celebrations collection is a collection we've been doing together for 6-7 years now, at least. Kristen is who I work with when it comes to putting my lettering and doodles on stickers. And every year we do a collection where I do a bunch of new artwork for her, and then she does her magic with it, makes it amazing. And it's a binder that is meant to sort of work for the whole year to help you celebrate your life, which is her like tagline or whatever, right? I think it says it on the side here, right? Celebrate your life. So this is the 2022 Celebrations collection. I have not looked at it yet. I have looked at the Steves, which we will talk about in a bit, but I have not looked at the collection yet. So I have not seen this since I sent all of the black and white artwork and lettering to her. So I love having my first reactions to this on film because it reminds me of it. Bit of information up front in case you're curious. It goes on sale on January 28th at 10 a.m. Central Time through January 31st at 11:59 p.m. Central Time. That's my birthday. It's my birthday. She said while supplies last, because even though this is a pre-order, they do have limited supplies for this first run. So if you're going to buy it, I would go earlier in the weekend rather than later. It will likely be offered again sometime later in the year, but that's after all of the other pre-orders have already been fulfilled. The price of this is going to be $129 plus shipping, which will vary based on where you are. The value is $196 based on all of the sticker sheets that you get in it, plus the binder. And the turnaround time could be up to 6 weeks. There will be add-ons and other things available at a later date. And this is a pre-release sample, so there may be some tweaks to layout or whatever in the final product. The other thing I should mention is up front is that everybody who is sharing this is getting a unique code to go with launch, where if you use their code when you buy the binder, you get a keychain of the Steve that they chose. And since I invented Steve, I got first pick, and I got to pick the best Steve of them all, which is the Grim Reaper here for Halloween. So if you like him and you want his keychain, then you use the code llama letters when you purchase, and you will get this keychain with your order. There is a whole list. I will leave it in the description of everybody else who is also offering a different code for different Steves, in case there's one you want that's different. I don't know why you'd want. I mean, they're all cute, but like this is the bomb here. But again, you know, there's other ones as well. Not everybody wants a Grim Reaper keychain. I don't know why, but that's just the way it is. It comes in the binder, and I love that the binders have the year on them. I think there's only one binder, maybe the first one, that doesn't have the year on it. It's neat, because then if you have them, you can hang on to them. You can also get the kit for the inside without the binder for $115 plus shipping. So this is the base kit. I'll talk about what each page is as we go through. Another note she made is that this year's collection has 2 additional pages, like 2 more pages than in past years, but the price does remain the same. First one is the exclusive sampler one, Celebrate Your Life. I love these colors, you guys, but it's got like birthday, celebrate, anniversary, presents and cake and cupcakes and balloons. And here's like little bulletin boards, and then you've got some Steves down here. This next sampler is called Celebration Doodles, and this one looks like it's just got a bunch of interesting ones. So you've got Celebrate Your Life, you've got some sticker situations here. Steves in a mailbox for happy mail, some unplug and self-care. We've got a few different like holiday decorations, like there's some of the Jewish ones here, some of the Hindu ones here, various fun doodles all over the place so that you can celebrate your life. My favorite page in the book is the Steve's page. Always my favorite. This is the Celebrate with Steve page, and what it has is Steves for each season and then a bunch of Steves for different holidays and occasions. If you don't know who Steve is, like this is Steve. This is the Grim Steve Purr. Steve is a little cartoon dude that I doodled a long time ago and posted on my Instagram, and Kristen loved him, and he has become her like mascot. So there's a whole bunch of Steve iterations here, and these are the ones for this year's holiday season. So we have a snow globe for winter, a picnic with like Oh my God, with a little raising his eyebrow. Oh my God, I'll show you up front. I guess this is a good spot to bust into some of these decal collections. There's 2 of them here and I kind of accidentally mixed them up. But you can get these giant Decal Steve stickers on the site as well, and for, you know, sticking on various things. But I want to show you that one because that one is one of my favorites. The Picnic Steve, the Springtime Steve. Oh my God, where is he? Where is he? I cannot find my boy. Is he in the very last? Wait, is he not in here? That's not. No, I have him. I saw him. I seen it. There he is. His little raising his eyebrow at the ants makes me so happy. Steve drinking out of coconut milk or coconut drink for summer. And then there's a Steve like lighting a candle for the fall. And then for some of the different celebration Steves, we've got Valentine's Day Steve, Leprechaun Steve. We've got Grim Steve Burr, Steve in a gift box. We've got a Drooly Steve over dinner, another one of my favorites. I believe if you want this keychain, it's a man with the plans. It's one of my, it reminds me when I drew this one, I was super channeling the aliens in the first Treehouse of Terror from The Simpsons when, you know, the ones trying to eat the Simpsons. That's what made me think of. Anyway, we've got New Year's Eve Steve, Year of the Tiger, Year of the Hare, a happy like celebration Steve, another celebration Steve. We've got a 4th of July style fireworks Steve, a Easter Steve. This is a Holy Steve for the holy holiday where you throw the colored ink around. And then a Steve with a lotus for Diwali. We've got a Jewish Steve right here with a dreidel, a Santa Steve, another celebration Steve. We've got more celebrations. These money ones are for Pink Friday. This planner Steve, a school Steve, a travel Steve, and then another celebrate Steve. Just so many Steves. So many Steves. So this is the Celebrate Everyday page. This gives you all of the months, all of the seasons, and then a bunch of different holidays. Then these next set of pages are one of the ones I know a lot of people love. It's page 3 through 11, and these are all of the dated holidays. So you have a month. This is new too, and I love this, having like a bigger month. So there's various things, right? There's months, Train Your Dog Month, Blood Donor Month, Black History Month. What other months do we have here? Women's History Month, Autism Awareness Month. And then there's also days, and they're dated for 2022. So New Year's Day, Science Fiction Day. So there's fun holidays, there's religious holidays, there's remembrance holidays. There's so many, and every year Kristen asks for feedback in order to figure out what holidays need to be added so that there's representation. But like as an example, we've got like Bobblehead Day or Clean Your Desk Day, but then we've also got like World Hijab Day and Holocaust Remembrance Day. So I'm just going to kind of flip through these so you can kind of see some of the different holidays that are here. I like how Tax Day is super big. Fuck that. You know, one of the things that I find really, as for the perspective of the person doing all this lettering, Kristen sends me a list every year. And so when I go through the list and I start lettering things and drawing things, I have to do my own research sometimes to figure out what the context of something is so that I can like be respectful if I don't recognize it. Like there are some things I recognize, right? Like the pagan holidays, as an example. I grew up with family who are pagan. I have a fairly decent understanding of pagan holidays. But there's been other holidays that I have not really understood. I've learned things that I haven't known before. And I think that's one of the things that makes me so insistent that planners either don't include holidays at all or try to be as inclusive as possible. And it's because there's such a wide variety. And like Kristen tries to put as much in these as possible, but there's only like we add more every year. And I know from my personal experience of just lettering these that there's a huge amount of holidays that are significant to different people. And so a collection like this to me is awesome because you can go through and pick out the things you want to use and use them. But you can just, that's how you could celebrate them in, like, say, your planner. It's just, I'm just reflecting on how, A, I've just enjoyed doing this over the past few years, and B, learning about the different stuff has just really, it's one of my favorite parts of making this collection with Kristen. And so I just wanted to say that. Anyway, moving forward. Oh my God, that's cute. Okay. So this is page 12, and we are on to the actual holiday sheets. Now, the way Kristen does these is she does a sheet like this, which is like a bunch of, you can just use this yourself, but she also will do add-on pages. She'll do kits that match them, so you can get like additional stickers that are in the same color scheme with the same kind of theme to go with this page to like have a more kind of built out situation, or you can just use this. There's also going to be add-ons for different holidays. Like she doesn't put in all of the religious holidays in here. Like Christmas isn't in here. Easter's not in here as the base kit, so that you can purchase those when she offers the add-ons so that you can only have the stickers you're going to use, hopefully. So this one is, the first ones are for the seasons, and this one is winter, and I love this color scheme. Holy shit. I love the layout too. I think it just came out cute. And I love that this year she's doing these larger strips of washi, because I always thought the ones were cute with the lettering that were super skinny, like hella skinny. But this I like because you can read it. It's easier to read. And then, oh my God, that's such a pretty, I love these colors, you guys. This is spring. And I love how the little bulletin boards have them on there too. This is spring. I love how the frog came out. I mean, I drew these. I knew that, but seeing the color added is what makes it so much fun for me. This is really cute, though. I cannot wait to use this and get the kit that goes with this when the snow starts clearing up here. Summer. I like how these Steves are a little bigger, too, this year. I love the summertime colors, the sunshine and blue skies. I love the way the weekend banners are turning out. This is always look on the bright side. And then this one is fall. These are cute. This is a cute fall color scheme. It's a way to have like orange in it where it's not like super harvesty looking. Okay, and now we're into the holiday celebration stuff. So this one is birthday. Got the bubblegum machine. We've got, oh, it's so cute. And then this one is for Valentine's Day. I absolutely love this color scheme. I would like decorate my life in this color scheme. No lie. I forgot about drawing this guy, this leprechaun dude, but I'm a big fan. I'm a big fan. Oh my God. Sometimes I'm amused myself. A, it's again a beautiful color scheme, and B, I love how stroke is the first place my eyes went after this guy. Oh, and then my absolute, though, look at the little Frankenstein. Little Frank. This is the Halloween one. I think this one also came out. These colors are so cute, you guys. I love these colors. And then Thanksgiving, the little Thanksgiving meal and the wishbone. Very cute. And then this one is for New Year's for 2023. Oh, I love these colors. And then this back page is the functional sampler. So it has every month some celebrate stickers, some balloon stickers, a few extra stickers, and then the same bulletin boards repeated. I wonder if they're the same color scheme from the yeah. So you get extra ones of these. I like that. And I like how they're all not quite the size of a half box, but they're in the same general range, so you could layer it with a half box, or you could have it on its own. This is really cute. I mean, I know, I'm aware of how cute this was going to be because I fucking drew them, but I only give like the basic skeleton of the stuff. She adds the color and just makes them so pretty. So let's take a look at these different decals really quick. Let's get a look at the Steves up close, and then we can also take a look at the little date decals. So The Winter Steve. I know some people thought he was a astronaut because of the way that looks, but if you look up close, you can see, you can't see because it's in my camera, but like all the little snowflakes. It's a snow globe Steve. But I guess you could use it either way. This is Springtime Steve with the ants. I said the Holy Steve with the poofs of color. We've got a Santa Steve looking at his list. My boy here. I've got a couple of my boys here. My Grim Steve per. The Diwali Steve with the lotus. This is a Birthday Steve. Here's a Celebrate Steve. These two are for Pink Friday, Black Friday weekend, like Money Steve and Stressed Out Shopping Steve. This one could be used for Mother or Father's Day. This is a Just Married Steve, and I very specifically did not draw on a hat or a veil or anything because I wanted it to be able to be interpreted however you might want to interpret it or however your friends might interpret it if you're going to use this sticker. So it could be any assortment of two adults getting married. A Parent Steve with the baby, little baby Steve, Stevelet. This one's the Thanksgiving Steve. We talked about how much he rocks. Here is a Happy Mail Steve with the mailbox. Here is it's 4th of July Steve because it's got the fireworks, but could honestly be used for any holiday that uses fireworks. This is Self-Care Steve with little cucumbers. These two are for the Lunar New Year, the Year of the Tiger, the Year of the Hare. Traveling Man Steve driving a car, but he doesn't have feet, so how does he hit the gas? I don't know. Stranger questions have been asked. Because Steve does not have feet. If you don't see it, he doesn't have it. This is School Steve. Little tooth. We got Jewish Steve with the yarmulke and the dreidel. New Year's Eve Steve. Easter Steve painting an egg. Planner Steve. Summertime Steve. Fall Steve. Another kind of celebration gift Steve. Valentine Steve and Leprechaun Steve. And then Kristen's got these little decals that are stickers that people love. So Hello January is the Winter Steve. Hello February is the Valentine Steve. Hello March is the Leprechaun Steve. Hello April is the Springtime Steve. Hello May is School Steve. Hello June is Summertime Steve. Hello July is Self-Care Steve. Hello August is Planner Steve. Hello September is Fall Steve. Hello October is Grim Steve Burr. Hello November is Thanksgiving Steve. Hello December is New Year's Eve Steve. Somehow I wound up with a couple of extra ones too. So that's cool. Anyway, so yes, that is the new Celebrations collection. It's super cute. I love the colors. I think this might be my favorite color scheme of all of them, which is exciting for me. The last one, I think that really hit me the same way was the year, I think it was a couple years ago when the colors were really like dark and really like kind of dramatic almost. I loved that. But these are kind of like bright, but they're like bright, but still slightly muted. And I really love that. So all the information I will put in the description below. Remember, if you are going to order this weekend, to A, probably order earlier in the weekend just in case. And B, if you want the Grim Steve per keychain, then make sure to use llama letters. I should add, I am not an affiliate for Krissyanne Designs. The other people who are reviewing this are affiliates, so you can use their affiliate link if you want to give them some support. I choose not to be an affiliate for Kristen because I already work with her, and she would be fine with me being an affiliate, but I was like, it just feels like double dipping the chip, so I don't. But I do work with her, so I do have a working relationship with her. I did get paid to make all of this artwork. Just want to be clear on that. You could use my code, but use somebody else's link if you want to give them affiliate credit, just to be clear on it. The biggest reason to use the code is purely just so that you can get the keychain you want. And this is the best keychain, so I assume you're going to get it. Anyway, llama letters. Let me know in the comments, what do you think of this year's Celebrations collection? Which of these Steves is your favorite? I would love to hear about it. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, friends, peace.